If I get up in like a really big rush, like that, like getting up like really quick, then I'm fine now. Because right now I'm smiling. I'm having a great time with all my friends. It's going great.
Not even joking. I'm so stupid.
That would honestly be the best. Like.
What? Just the thoughts of Jonah? Yeah. Literally, it's homework and watching Scooby-Doo. There's nothing like that. Our reaction channel to be like, this is how the fuck this kid's using his time in college. Is sitting in the room watching Scooby-Doo.
Class of 2018?
No, it's just class of 8.
Jonah, is that a monkey scarf? Like, you have it on all the time, even though it's hot.
Yeah.
Is it like a
what?
How the fuck does she do that? I'm like choking.
Dude, what are we doing?
I don't know.
Beautiful. Dude, dude, it's, you have an 8 a.m. and it's 3:20 in the morning. Dude, come on. God damn, that sucks. Dude, I can't do this. Are you serious? So was Josh. Are you kidding me?
Alright, let's get some eggs.
Let's get some eggs at 3:15 in the morning. You have an 8 a.m. Shane does too.
8 a.m. running on 1 hour of sleep.
I'm gonna stand and film.
This is perfect footage.
It is really good footage.
Dream of happening.
It's great. It's great. I woke up. I was listening to music, and I woke up. Like, this is a weird ass song. I take it off. I'm like, God damn it.
As soon as you heard it, did you just grab it?
Yeah, I did. Immediately, I grabbed my camera. I didn't even care. I was like, I looked for my camera. I started walking out with like no shoes. I'm like, shit, I need shoes. And I walked through it. Somebody pokes their head out of the door. What's going on? Like, what the hell do you think's going on? What? No, I know. I'm fine. Cause now I know I have a vlog for Monday and it's great. Mike, what's going on, dude?
Oh, hell yeah. I got my throat as an excuse, now I got this as I'm not going to class.
I'm sure it doesn't take that much to set off a fire alarm.
Yeah, wanna know what it takes? That's what it takes. Imagine if we had a real fire. That would suck.
Yeah, that would.
It'd be great though. I'd get on the fucking news.
I forgot my phone.
I was listening to music and genuinely, I was like, this is a weird ass song. I took out my headphones. Thank you very much, Pat. The video will be up.
No, you don't go here. Let me see. That's the thing.
Yeah. Hey, Don, how's it going? Really? Wait, what time did you go to bed?
Oh, it was like, no, I mean like literally the minute the alarm went off was the minute I put my head on my pillow.
No.
You know, I was hanging out and talking to some residents.
Yeah, I was doing the same thing.
And then I just put my head on the pillow, closed my eyes, and goes, ooh. No!
That sucks. That's gotta be the worst feeling.
It shook me, so I had sheer adrenaline. I like hip tossed out of my bed.
I'm sorry, everybody. I just have a vlog tomorrow, so.
One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like